Today we will be talking about assistive technology that can be used in the classroom to help students stay organized. Assistive technology is an umbrella term that includes all types of adaptive technology for the disabled learner. I will be talking about two types of assistive technology that you can incorporate into your classroom. The first is SuperNotes. SuperNotes is an app available for iPhones and iPads and is a great organizational tool for students in the classroom. Students are able to focus on lectures without being in constant worry of falling behind because with SuperNotes, they don't have to write everything down. SuperNotes allows students to save notes, recordings, and images. Notes can also be color coordinated as shown in the picture. Notes can also be shared and backed up online. We will be watching a short demonstration of SuperNotes.
So in the upper left corner, you've got three options for sorting your notes that you might have on your device. You can sort by category of note, by the date it was taken, and modified, or in alphabetical order. The next button over is a gear icon, and if you tap on that, it brings up some settings that you can change, and we'll come back to this in just a little while. You can tap the Done button when you're done with this screen. The next button over is in the shape of 4 squares, and tapping on it just brings up the other apps offered by this company. We'll just skip this button for now. Going to the far upper right corner, you have a plus sign. You tap that to add a new note. The next one to the right looks like a camera. You tap on that one to add an image to a note. And in the far upper right corner, the last icon is a microphone, and you tap on that one to add audio to a note. So we're going to tap on the plus sign to add a new note. And the first thing you do is you select a category that you would like this note to fall under. So the 4 options are note, memo, lecture, and meeting. These categories can be modified within the settings of the app. So if you don't like the category called memo, you can tap on the gear icon, and then you can tap into this field called memo, and you can erase this. You could call this one class if you wanted to, and click done. Then notice
The second app we're going to talk about is something called Go Conquer. Go Conquer is a personal learning environment that gives students and teachers a place to upload and organize notes, mind maps, flashcards, and quizzes. Students can use it to connect with others or they can stay private. It is available in both mobile and desktop devices. So I'm going to show you what this looks like online. So this is my Go Conquer profile. I'm logged on as a teacher, of course, because I am a teacher. Here is, we can search for anything on here and find resources. So let's type in fractions. So if we type in fractions, we might come up with mind maps, flashcards, quizzes. You can even take a course on fractions if you didn't know anything about it. So here's an example of some flashcards. So you could click on the flashcards and they're all digital, of course. So we might click on one, and when we know it, we can hit the green thumb down here. So click on it, gives us the answer on the back. Go to the next one, click on it, gives us the answer on the back. We can go through and practice all of those. Mind maps are a little bit different. They're the ones with the, so people create these and then you can push play up here and it will go through each individual bubble down at the bottom. There's also courses down here, and they have all different resources in there. It's a full course on whatever you want to take. So there's a lot of resources on here for students and for teachers. And if teachers want to upload something on here for their students, they can. So assistive technology is important for students because it makes an equal playing field for every child to have the ability to learn and succeed. I hope that you start using one or more of these apps in your classroom to help your students stay organized. Thank you.